This is more like coir. It's so dry. But this is what the real sea moss looks like. Look at that. Hey family, welcome to another edition of my videos. Your health is your wealth with me, Empress Yuda. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how I make my own sea moss gel and just walk you through the process really. I'm going to start off making my sea moss gel using organic sea moss, which is wildcrafted and sourced from St. Lucia in the Caribbean. This sea moss can be bought directly from my website at theancientherbsco.com. Here we go, we have some wildcrafted organic sea moss. This sea moss was left to soak overnight. As I unbag my sea moss, I put it in my pan, or Jamaica people call it pot, so I put it in my pot. I pour my natural spring water over my sea moss. And this I do mainly by eye, because I think I've become more or less an expert at getting the measurements right for my sea moss. So I'm using about, this bottle is a gallon, and I'm using about a half a gallon of water to cook my sea moss. I've got my stove on, and I'm gonna cover up my sea moss. So let me just move my camera forward so you can have a look. So that's my sea moss in my pot, and I'm gonna just cover that, but I'm not gonna cover it fully, because sea moss, as soon as you start cooking it, it will come all the way over onto your stove. Okay, so I leave that ajar. Okay, so just while my sea moss is there cooking, let me just tell you of some of the benefits of sea moss and why you should have sea moss in your life. So in recent times, we've seen where a lot of people have come to light about sea moss and sea moss's health benefits. And we must give credit to Dr. Sebi, because he's the one who recently ignited the sea moss revolution. And I am going to give credit though to the Rastafari community, because Rastas have been championing sea moss, the health benefits of sea moss, along with a lot of other natural products and a lot of natural foods that we get from nature. Sea moss is indeed a superfood. It grows in the ocean, and sea moss grows on the rocks. It's an algae. Sea moss is very rich in iodine, which supports your thyroid. So sea moss supports your thyroid health. It also supports your digestive system. It supports your immune system. Sea moss is also very good in boosting your metabolism. It is used a lot in pre and post gym workouts. Sea moss is also very rich in vitamins and minerals. It's very good for your hair, your nails, your skin, your bones. Sea moss is absolutely fantabulous. It's very good for almost everything. It's one of those superfoods that you must have in your life. I have sea moss. I take sea moss almost every single day, and I cannot get enough sea moss in my life. So over 2 ounces in weight of sea moss, and that is 2 ounces prior to soaking. I cook that in about a half a gallon of water. I cook for only 10 minutes to 15 minutes the most. And once you see that sea moss starts dissolving in the water, that's when I switch my cooker off. As soon as I do that, then that sea moss I leave to cool. It depends on how long it takes. If I have time in the day and the sea moss cools down, or if I cook it late at night, I leave it overnight on my cooker. After I do that, in the morning, the first thing that I do is to take my sea moss and I pour it from my pot straight into my mason jar. It will appear watery at that time. However, once you leave that in your refrigerator for a good few hours, you'll see that sea moss starting to form into gel. This is one way, family, of making your sea moss gel. I'll be doing another video shortly showing you how I make sea moss gel without using any heat whatsoever. Now it's time to put my sea moss gel in my refrigerator, and look how this comes out. So this is after a few hours of being in the refrigerator. All you can see is a natural gel drip, dripping from my mason jar. That's it for this video, family. I'll see you all in the next. Remember to support my website at ancientherbsco.com. I'll put all links in the description bar. See you all. Blessed love.